Before we begin this video, I want to let you guys know that this is not a tutorial. Please do not use this video to fix your Samsung Galaxy A20. This video is simply for entertainment and enjoyment purposes. Now with that said, I hope you can enjoy a little bit of unboxing ASMR. We are actually inside the phone now. There's definitely some corrosion on this USB-C board. Okay, we're gonna take some 99% IPA, take a brush, clean up this board. We're also gonna give this a cleaning while we're at it, just in case there's some corrosion that I missed. I think we're just going to pop this board in and grab our replacement battery. To better explain what's going on, I'm going to do a quick voiceover here. So basically I'm just connecting everything up, the battery, the motherboards, the power button, just to test to see if the phone powers on and what functions are working. And it's powering on. Look at that. Look at that. It is powering on. Oh, let's go. Okay, I plugged it in. It is actually, I forgot this doesn't have tap to wake like iPhones. It is fast charging. It is working. Everything appears to be working, and that's good. So to clarify what I'm doing here again, I am taking everything out of the phone so that I can put it together piece by piece fully, so that I can get it now fully working again instead of just barely assembled to test it. We go ahead and pop the battery in. How strong is that adhesive? Good enough. Alright, the battery is held down. It's not going to be falling out anytime soon. We're going to move everything on here over. As I'm looking over this, I'm realizing that what I just said is not enough to really explain what I'm doing. I'm moving everything from the old frame over, right? Because the new frame didn't come with anything. It didn't come with gaskets, it didn't come with mesh, it didn't come with adhesive. Nothing. So I am moving literally every single small part, not just the vibration motor and earpiece, but also little tiny thermal pads or little tiny strips of adhesive to hold the motherboard down. Anything like that I am moving over to make sure that this is as whole of a phone as it possibly can be. Right now, I just want to boot it up. And it's on. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. For some odd reason, the frame isn't wanting to snap down at the top, so I'm gonna look that up, see what is going on. Now, I gotta be honest, up until this point in the repair, it was going pretty simply. It was pretty straightforward process, especially for somebody like me who had taken apart Samsungs before. But with this gap in the frame, I couldn't really tell what was wrong with it. My best guess was that something was wrong with the replacement screen. So I contacted the owner of the device about it, and they basically agreed with me to ask the company that I bought the screen from for a new one, saying that it was faulty. But in that time, I was actually able to fix it somehow. I don't know how. I don't know if it fixed itself. Maybe it needed to be tightened down more. But I was actually able to fix it, and the phone was all good to go. We were back in business. It's on. Let's go. And we're gonna go ahead and test everything. We're gonna call my phone and see if it works, which I'm actually recording with my phone right now, so I need to grab that real quick. I couldn't actually find a video where I said this, but everything that I could tell at the time was working. We're gonna be taking off the old adhesive, pretty much, and installing some new stuff. And everything is back together. The back is also adhered on. Let's go ahead and test it out. It is powering on, yo. Boom, it has booted up. I'm gonna go ahead and test everything again. Just triple check everything's working before I take the screen off. I feel like by now y'all should know how much I mess up my speech. In fact, the last recording I tried to do of this, I messed up my speech too. So what I actually meant was the plastic covering the screen, not the actual screen. I'm not taking this phone apart again. But anyways, that is all for this repair. I got it all done. Everything that I could see is working and all good to go. But I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button or maybe even hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.